Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Gospel artist Jermaine has signed a deal with Sony Records UK following a viral video of his song Beautiful Day being covered by 10-year-old Rashawn Ewers, a past student of Top Hill Primary School in St. Elizabeth. Ewers' rendition of the 2014 single went viral. Now a South African musician, David Scott, also added his own reggae style to the song. Jermaine made the announcement via Instagram over the weekend with the caption, quote, "This was bigger than my team and lawyers," end quote. He added that while many people were using Rashawn, his melody and lyrics, selling it online and paying him no respect, in return he fought for Rashawn. Jermaine also assured fans that both Rashawn and his former teacher will be taken care of perpetually. Reggae artist Tarrus Riley through VP Records has released a new version of Bob Andy's 1969 hit, Desperate Lover. The song is part of the forthcoming release of We Remember Bob Andy, a tribute album featuring 15 artists covering the late Jamaican reggae singer-songwriter's catalogue. Other artists featured on the album include Beres Hammond, Luciano, Romain Virgo, Nadine Sutherland, Richie Spice, Mikey Spice, and Dwayne Stevenson. We Remember Bob Andy also includes an additional 10 instrumental versions. The album is set for release come February 10. On the international scene, American actress and singer Shirley Ralph over the weekend copped another award. Ralph was awarded Best Supporting Actress at the 2023 Critics' Choice Award for her role as Barbara Howard in the comedy series Abbott Elementary. The 66-year-old gave a heartfelt speech as she accepted her trophy.
To all of you watching here, come close to the screen and listen. People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even have to respect you. But when you look in the mirror, you better love what you see. You better love what you see. Thank you to the critics. Thank you.
She also paid tribute to the late Sidney Poitier for believing in her talent at an early stage in her career. In 2022, Ralph received an Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a comedy series at the 74th Emmy Awards. Okay, Shirley, I see you. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.